Hi guys, hope you're all well. So I well and truly fell down the fucking rabbit hole this morning, like you do. You get carried away watching shit on TikTok. I come across the video of the woman who, in the middle of the night, goes to a door and captures on the Ring doorbell some guy with a crowbar trying his hardest to get the keys to the car on the drive. It's frightening at middle at night. Then when I say I fall down the rabbit hole, when you watch a video on TikTok, there's all these other videos at the bottom. So I was sat there watching these videos of what people had experienced on the Ring doorbell, what the Ring doorbell had captured, which made me think about my experience. Now, I know them experiences were scary for everybody, but my experience, I can only vouch for me personally, pretty much gave me nightmares for days after. Do you know what? I'll just show you. So this is what mine captured one night, late one night. And it took me a few seconds to realise it's only my fucking mother. Absolutely fucking mental, that woman.